To run the most recent command that begins with a given string, use an exclamation mark followed by that string. For example, to run the last command that started with a D, type exclamation mark D, enter. Specify as much of the string as required to make it unique. If you have several commands in your recent history that begin with the letter D, you can add additional characters like exclamation mark DU or exclamation mark DF. I find myself using this technique to get a status, perform some work that might affect that status, and then to recheck that status again. Here's an example where data is being copied to a file system and where the disk usage is being checked. Let's change into a directory where I plan to restore some data. I'll check the disk usage with a df command. And now I will extract some data into this directory. And then using exclamation mark D, I will recheck the status. You can see that about 400 megabytes of data was extracted into this file system. Here's an example that demonstrates a situation where more than just one character of a string is required to recall the desired command. Let's create a directory for my fictitious application called myapp. Let's create a user for this application. And we'll make that application owner the owner of the directory here. And if I run exclamation mark M, the most recent command that begins with M is makedir, so it will run makedir myapp. And now if I want to run chown to change the ownership, I will have to specify cho. If I just specify c, cd will execute. If I specify ch, chmod will execute. So to run chown, I need to specify exclamation mark cho. And then if I want to run the chmod command, I will specify just enough as required to make that unique. I could specify more if I wanted, for instance.